Have you ever wondered why your phone feels brand new one year and unbearably slow the next? Many phones slow down over time because each new software update adds features that demand more memory and processing power than the original hardware was designed to handle. The operating system grows with security patches, new menus, and visual enhancements, so the processor must work harder to render each screen. Over months and years, this mismatch between growing software complexity and fixed hardware capacity becomes more pronounced, leading to longer load times and reduced frame rates in games and animations. Apps also store more data each time they run. Cache files hold images, banners, and temporary downloads. Logs record your activity. Saved settings build up as you customize each application. When storage nears its limit, the file system takes extra time to locate free space and manage blocks of data. This overhead slows every task that reads or writes to disk, from launching a simple calculator app to saving a photo or video. Social media, maps, and streaming apps can be especially heavy on storage. Background processes can run without your direct command. Many apps refresh content in the background, checking for new messages, syncing contacts, or updating weather information. These hidden tasks periodically wake the processor and network radios, draining battery and diverting CPU cycles away from the app you actively use. When dozens of apps perform invisible updates, the phone may struggle to keep the user interface smooth and responsive. Phone batteries age with each charge cycle. As lithium-ion cells degrade, their maximum capacity drops, and their voltage under load falls more quickly. To prevent sudden shutdowns or voltage spikes, the system throttles the processor's top speed. This protective measure preserves stability, but makes everything from opening an app to scrolling through a web page feel noticeably slower. Users often do not connect these performance drops to the underlying battery health in their device. Thermal conditions also trigger automatic slowdown. When the processor temperature rises, whether from heavy gaming, prolonged video playback, charging, or a hot ambient environment, the system reduces clock speeds to avoid damage. This mechanism, called thermal throttling, can kick in even during short tasks if the phone's case traps heat. Once the temperature falls, normal performance returns, but frequent overheating leads to repeated slowdowns and uneven behavior. Visual effects and transitions add a final layer of workload. Live wallpapers, parallax motion, animated icons, and fancy lock screen effects each require the graphics unit to render extra frames every second. These smooth visual flourishes can make the interface feel modern, but they steadily consume GPU and CPU resources. On older hardware, the impact appears as stutter, dropped frames, and slower response when opening or closing apps. Clearing cached data can yield an immediate speed boost. In the phone's settings, you can delete stored images, temporary files, and obsolete downloads that apps no longer need. Removing these files frees up storage space and prevents the system from spending extra time managing fragmented data blocks. It also removes potential corruption in old cache data, which can sometimes cause apps to crash or lag as they attempt to parse expired files. Removing unused applications frees both storage and processing power. Even apps you haven't opened in months may still run background services or leave behind hidden files. By uninstalling apps you no longer need, games you've finished, tools you replaced, you clear internal memory and stop unseen tasks from waking your phone. This cleanup often makes the home screen load faster and reduces random freezes. Limiting background activity helps keep resources focused on your current tasks. In the app settings, turn off automatic refresh or background permissions for non-essential apps. When apps cannot run in the background, they only consume CPU and battery when you explicitly open them. This step reduces random slowdowns caused by simultaneous background jobs and helps extend battery life over the day. Keeping software up to date ensures you benefit from performance optimizations. Manufacturers and developers release patches that streamline code, fix memory leaks, and improve scheduling of processor tasks. Updating the operating system and each app to its latest version delivers these enhancements, often reducing the load on older hardware and restoring some of the speed lost over time. Moving large files to cloud storage can also improve responsiveness. By uploading photos, videos, and documents to services such as Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox, You free up local storage used for less critical data. This increases the amount of free space available for system operations and reduces the time needed to manage files, improving overall task switching and load times. Restarting your phone periodically clears active memory and halts all running processes. A simple reboot resets cached system data, stops apps stuck in error states, and restores services to a clean starting point. Performing this quick reset once a week, or whenever you notice sluggish behavior, can prevent minor software glitches from accumulating and maintain consistent performance levels. Disabling or reducing animations trims the extra graphics workload. In developer or accessibility settings, you can lower or turn off transition animations, window fades, and icon motion. This change means the system does not need to render extra frames for each effect, making the interface feel more instantaneous, and it can slightly reduce battery consumption as well. If all else fails, a factory reset can rejuvenate a very slow device. By erasing all personal data and settings, the phone returns to the state it was in when first taken out of the box. This process clears hidden system caches, corrupt files, and misconfigured options that accumulate over months of use. After resetting, reinstall only the apps you truly need to keep the system lean. Replacing an aged battery restores the phone's full power potential. A fresh battery holds charge closer to its original capacity, allowing the system to run the processor at top speeds without forced throttling. Professional battery replacement services ensure quality parts and safe installation, giving older devices a noticeable performance lift once more. Avoid heavy tasks while charging to prevent overheating. Using the phone for gaming, streaming, or navigation while plugged in adds extra heat from both the processor and the charging circuitry. By pausing these activities until after the device cools, you reduce the chances of thermal throttling and help the phone maintain its peak performance. Choosing light versions of popular apps can lower resource demands. Many services offer streamlined editions, Facebook Lite, YouTube Go, or Messenger Lite, that use less memory, storage, and data. These apps run more smoothly on older devices and in areas with slower network speeds, improving everyday responsiveness. Offloading demanding tasks to the cloud reduces local workload. Services such as cloud gaming platforms or media streaming delegate heavy computations to remote servers. Your phone only needs to decode and display streams, putting minimal stress on its CPU and GPU while still providing a rich experience. Monitoring app resource use helps identify problem areas. In settings, you can see which apps consume the most battery, CPU time, and memory. Force stopping or uninstalling the most demanding culprits and finding optimized alternatives prevents those apps from repeatedly dragging down your phone's performance. Phones inevitably face more demanding software as they age, but simple maintenance steps can stop or even reverse most slowdowns. By clearing cache, removing excess apps, limiting background processes, updating software, and caring for battery and temperature, users can keep devices running smoothly for years.